Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add strobe effect to overlay only in CapCut. Sorry. Alright, so select your main photo as a background, just add to the track and select the overlay, put and tap another clip. Alright, so I'm going to remove the background before select chroma key, color breaker, and just put a string shadow. Alright, until you find perfect. So I'm going to go to effect and select strobe effect. Sorry, just for duration listen link with the effect. And I'm just going to add the effect only to overlay. So just select overlay and select effect in the same at once, and right click, create compound clip. So you can see the strobe effect only apply to overlay. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please let it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.